The average professional receives 121 emails per day and spends 28% of their work week managing email. That's over 11 hours per week. My system processes the same volume in under 30 minutes daily by treating email as a triage station, not a workspace. Never read an email without acting on it. The first touch is reading. The second is one of 5 actions: delete, delegate, respond if under 2 minutes, defer, add to task list, or file. 2 touches maximum. Rereading the same email multiple times is the #1 time waster in email management. Check email only 2 to 3 times per day at scheduled times: morning, post-lunch, and end of day. Set a 10-minute timer for each session. The timer creates urgency that prevents the leisurely email browsing that eats hours. Process, don't browse. 80% of your emails fall into 10 categories. Create template responses for each: meeting confirmations, project updates, information requests, introductions, thank yous. Use text expansion to insert them with keystroke. A 5-minute email becomes a 30-second snippet. Step 4. Set up 5 to 10 Gmail filters that auto-label and skip the inbox for newsletters, notifications, and CC'd threads. Step 5. Archive everything after processing. Don't organize into folders. Gmail search is faster than any folder system. Your inbox is a processing queue, not a filing cabinet. Set up 3 email templates today for your most common reply types. Tomorrow morning, process your inbox with the 2-touch rule and a 10-minute timer. My email template pack is in the description.